George Zimmerman, the man acquitted of killing Sanford teenager Trayvon Martin, is currently sitting in a Seminole County jail cell for allegedly pointing his shotgun in his girlfriend's face. All of this unfolding during our noon show yesterday. Rob Munoz is following the latest developments. He joins us now. And Rob, Zimmerman is going to be facing a judge in less than 2 hours.
And today the judge will be deciding, does George Zimmerman get to go home on bail today, and does he get to keep his guns? According to a law expert we just talked to, that depends on strong evidence we hear on 911 phone calls.
I'm doing this again? You just broke my glass table. You just broke my sunglasses, and you put your gun in my freaking face.
The phone call comes mid-argument from inside this home near Apopka. George Zimmerman and his girlfriend are in the middle of a physical argument.
Are you kidding me? He just pushed me out of my house and locked me out.
She tells 911 dispatchers they got into a fight and he pointed his long-barrel shotgun at her face. She also tells them he has a shotgun, an AR-15, and 2 handguns. The call goes on for almost 5 minutes.
I don't want you anywhere near him. I know you're frustrated.
Dude, he knows how to do this. He knows how to play this game.
Barricading himself inside the home, Zimmerman is quick to call 911.
We've been girlfriend was, for lack of a better word, going crazy on me. I never pulled a firearm. I never displayed it.
And right before he surrenders to deputies, he tells dispatchers why this all happened in the first place.
She's pregnant with our child, and she told me it was better if we were co-parented and she raised the child on her own.
Deputies tell us she is not pregnant, but now that he's sitting in a Seminole jail cell without bond, state attorneys want to make sure that if he gets out, he doesn't have access to any more guns. Law expert Jeffrey Swartz tells us that it can and likely will happen.
His weapons are directly related to the charges. The judge has to consider the safety of the public as well as the likelihood that George will appear for trial.
George Zimmerman is now facing domestic battery and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The Seminole County Sheriff's Office is telling us if George Zimmerman does get out, they want an electronic monitor on him, something they request with all domestic violence incidents. If you want to watch George Zimmerman's court proceedings, we'll be streaming it live on abcactionnews.com at 1:30 this afternoon. In the studio, I'm Rob Munoz, ABC Action News.